Comic Epic Rap Battle. First match, Raven versus Baraka. Spit.
Yo, Baraka, you my man and everything, but yo, I got all these people in front of me, and we gonna win back. You know, like I said, Mortal Kombat 2. Yay, baba, yay! You know, all that shit. You know what I'm saying? But check it. Yo, Baraka, you my right-hand man. Never had a girl, you use your right hand, man. It's not your fault that you ugly as fuck. Broke so many mirrors, you forever bad luck. Look, don't get mad cause I go hard. Pause. Your grill looking like you related to Jaws. Anyway, but that's besides the point. You don't even need to rap cause I just killed you in this joint.
Round 2. Spit.
Right, you really gonna do me like that right now? It's okay. Don't worry about it. But I got a little secret about you. Check it. Yo, hi Raiden, or should I say Kaden? I know you got a crush on me, that's why you hating. Remember that one time you tried to kiss me? Now you in front of all these people trying to kiss me? It's okay, we all know that you gay, and that's why you don't even order food from Chick-fil-A. Look, player, you don't want to test me. I can't be your right-hand man cause I'm a lefty.
The winner is Baraka. Now Baraka versus the last year's champion, Liu Kang. Round 1. Spit.
Turn my headphones up, bitches. Let's do this. Liu Kang. Baraka, you so ugly, I feel your sorrow. Saw you look my past, she rather hit a borrow. Liu Kang, bitch, I'm bicycle, kick your hand off. I'm the Steve to your bill, Apple to your Microsoft. Round 1's forest, round 2's the sand. Bitches, motherfucker, you got no game. It's all just formality, get ready for fatality. Your ball is baby, bitch, I might score a barbarity.
Round 2. Spit.
Well, that was cute, Lou. It was cute. But don't think I forgot about that fatality that you did to me back on episode 2. Yo, Liu Kang, go fry some wontons, buy some new pants, and throw a shirt on. Ain't nobody here trying to see that shit. I block all your punches and buy some cold kicks. So please, you can't outdo me. And for God's sake, you are not Bruce Lee. So shut up and bake me fortune cookies so I can feed them to my groupies.
The winner is Baraka. The winner is and still champion of Mortal Kombat Epic Rap Battle, Liu Kang. You know it's fucked up, right?